Hello everyone, welcome back to my another painting tutorial. Today we are going to paint this cute little landscape featuring a cozy cabin, bright flowers and peaceful sky. So let's get started. First, paint the sky using blue and white acrylic paint. Blend the colors in a circular motion to create a soft cloudy effect. Gradually mix the grey shade with the white and the blue. Next, use dark green and black to paint the tall pine trees in the background. Start with thin upward strokes and widen them as you go down. Now let's add the cabin. Use dark blue and grey to paint the roof and the walls. Now time for the fun part, flowers. Use red, white and yellow paint to add small dots and strokes at the bottom of wildflowers. So this is the peaceful landscape in a small circle. I hope you enjoyed painting with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your vision in the comments. See you next time.